Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Toyota Camry Hybrid SE. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, chrome trim, lightly tinted privacy glass, and much more. 17-inch graphite finish alloy wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong hybrid 4-cylinder with only 26,248 miles. Key fob trunk release, large wraparound brake lights, sleek badging, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row adjustable sport fabric and soft text trimmed bucket seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a locking glove box, a push button start, selective internet, a leather wrapped steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.